Today what we're going to be doing is installing a second hard drive onto this computer. First of all, what we need to do is take the cover off. So I was do that now. It's 3 main screws holding the case together. When these are all out, just slide off. Right, now we're wanting to set this second hard drive up as the slave. As you can see the diagram on here. This is the pins on the back, and there's 2 blocks which make them either the master or the slave. So if you follow the diagram on the slave, then as you can see here on the back, it corresponds to the diagram. So these 2 pins mean it's going to be set as a slave now, so this is going to be running off the master. So it's a second hard drive. Yes! Don will now install the second hard drive onto the computer, and then Paul will test it working.
Now you've got to plug the hard drive in to this. You plug that ID cable in. And then, because this computer is not made for upgrades, we have to take the power from the DVD drive, then plug that into there too. Yeah. There you go, it's plugged in.
Alright, now the hard drive's plugged into the computer, we need to check that it's recognised on the computer. So you go onto your BIOS, when you start your PC up, then you go down to drive configuration, and then you look as it's set at your primary slave, and it is. Right, now we need to save and exit. Press F10. Now we need to test the hard drive, see if it works, see if we can copy files over to it. Right, now we need to see if the hard drive is installed on the computer in itself. So you go onto My Computer, Manage, we go onto Disk Management, then you see a new hard drive that's installed, and as you can see it's installed itself here, and it's working. Now we need to test that it works, so go to My Computer, there's your new hard drive. Now we need to copy something over, so just get a sample picture, copy it, paste it into your new hard drive. Works.